This is the December Discovered Beauty Box. This edit is called Festive Showdown. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I've got an unboxing for you, and it is this. This is the December Discovered Beauty Box. I am late in unboxing this because, well, it's been Christmas and I've been getting my festive jolly on. So there you go. But yeah, let's get in here. If you are interested in this box, I will link it down below. It's £25 per month, and I have, is it a link or a code? The details are below. If you click the link and if there is a code, you get £3 off, which is always good. Who doesn't love a saving? Here is the box. Let's open it on up. Inside the box we get a thank you card, just thanking for purchase. We get the edit card, which just has information on all the products in here. It's always very neat and tidy. This is what the products come in this month. It's like a little beauty bag thing. So yeah, we're going to dive straight in to see what we've got. Unfortunately, it's too late to get this one now. You have to order before the 10th of the month to get that month's box, and we, as a normal customer, get them after the 10th anyway. So even though I'm late with this one, unfortunately I don't get PR with this box, but I've never had a bad box from this brand before. So if you if you want to click that link and get £3 off your order, and you'll get next month's box, I wonder what we will get. So back to the edit card, and it just says on here, this edit is called the Festive Showdown. It just says the festive season is here, DBB fam. It's time to ring out the year with a festive Discovered Beauty Box Showdown. This edit will feature a total of 8 products to end the year with a bang. The first product we have is this. It is the bag itself. How long are these straps? Oh my goodness. So this is by the brand Periea. I am probably saying that wrong, I do apologise. And this is a tiger toucan drawstring travel bag. It has an RRP of £6.99, so it's really affordable. It says that this is machine washable, which is always good to know. Whether you're staying near or far this festive season, keep all your essentials together in this playful design travel bag, measuring a whopping 50 centimetres when completely open, and when drawn closed only 25 centimetres. It can easily fit anywhere. It also includes 2 small inner pockets for keeping your smaller items separate. Right, let's open this on up. So we just take the flap off, we undo this little knobbly bit here, we do the same on this side, so we can actually open it on up. Okay, wow, that is quite big. Let's open it up some more. Yeah, wow, so this is quite cool. So then what you do is you pop your stuff inside, like your makeup for instance, and then just draw it on closed, and it's all safe and secure. So we have, so we have 2 of the pockets that it's on about, and they both have zips, which is great. So yeah, open and close. Quite decent size as well. That's really nice. So like I say, to close it, we just get it and pull. And then to secure it, you bring them little beads back. Very nice little bag indeed. I love the design on it. So yeah, you've got your tigers and then your toucan and then a jungle theme. Yeah, really like that. So the second item we have in the box is this. This is really heavy. So this is by the brand Mazillo, and this is Regenerate and Protect Essence Toner. This toner has an RRP of £59. It is vegan, it's cruelty free, and it's made in Bulgaria. And it just says, prepare your skin with this amazing wonder product. Made with calendula stem cells to hydrate, nourish, and gently exfoliate your skin and stimulate renewal. Scalxcly, I've said that wrong as well, tea, which is rich in antioxidants and vitamins to protect against free radicals. This toner also provides benefits of improving skin texture, improving the skin's pH. Press a few drops into the skin before any serums or moisturiser to allow better absorption of the product's ingredients. Oh, let's have a look. This feels bougie. That is glass. I'm not going to open it. I'm going to keep that well and truly sealed. I want that to be nice and fresh on my face when I decide to splash it all over my face. But that is cute, really, really cute. And I'm loving the shade green bottle. Absolutely gorgeous. £59. Third item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Doctor's Formula and it's probiotics 12-hour day cream. I love this brand and it is very, very expensive. This has an RRP of £89. Moisturise your skin while protecting your skin with some probiotics. It's got something in here that helps replenish your moisture and plump the skin facial contours. It has something in here to help restore the skin's good bacteria. It also has something in here that's good for skin firming and toning. And let's have a look, what else does it do? Fast absorbing and leaves the skin feeling supple. Yeah, that all sounds absolutely great. This is one of my favourite brands, and because it is expensive, it is. I mean, every product I've tried from them, and I mean every product I've tried from them, it's been amazing. It really, really has. I wouldn't be able to afford on my own, so I'm really glad these beauty boxes provide me with the bougie skincare. But that is what that looks like. Really nice, simple packaging, which is all it needs. £89. Wow. Again, I'm not going to open this because I don't want to risk it going off or anything, and I want full benefits of this on my face. So yeah. Wow. Product number 4 is actually 3 products. Wow. So these are by the brand Larizzi Cosmetics, and these are a lip gloss party bundle. These are cruelty free and has an RRP of £40.51. Get into the festive spirit with a selection of lip glosses, 3 different shades that can be worn day, night, anytime, alone or as a topper over your favourite lipstick. Receive shades Supreme, the perfect festive red. It wouldn't be festive season without it. Vibe, a sheer party brown with slight shimmer reflectance to add some dazzle to the party scene. Desert Taupe, a delectable beige caramel, a sweet treat for whenever your mood strikes. Oh, my chair's really squeaky. Let's have a look at this one. This is Desert Taupe. Oh yeah, that's lovely. That's really nice. So that is that one. Very pigmented for a lip gloss. Very nice. This one is Vibe. There it is there. Very nice colour. So there that one is. Really cute. And then we have Supreme. And by golly gosh, that is red. Actually, I'd say this is more of a pink. What do you think? That's definitely more of a pink for me in any way, but still a very, very nice, gorgeous shade. So yeah, I really like all of those colours, really, really do. I must say the top one, this one is my favourite out of all 3. But I must say I am so glad that these are lip glosses and not liquid lipsticks. I get on with lip glosses better than I do with liquid lipsticks. If I could talk, that would be amazing. The product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Pastel Cosmetics, and this is a liquid eyeshadow in the shade Dreamland. This is vegan and cruelty free. It has an RRP of £5.99, so really affordable. It just says give your eyes a quick pop of colour with this easy application liquid eyeshadow. It also contains squalene to keep eyelids feeling hydrated. It's blendable, you can smudge it, and it is crease proof and lasts up to 10 hours. That kind of sounds amazing, doesn't it? That shade seems really pretty. Oh yeah. So there it is there. That's gorgeous. So yeah, let's blend it out. I put way too much on there, my goodness. Wow, that is absolutely stunning. Oh, yes. Yes. The 6th item we have in this box is this. So this is by the brand Glamazon Lashes, and these are Fate Minx strip lashes. They are cruelty free, can be used up to 20 times. Styles can vary that you'll get in your box. These have an RP of £3.99, so really, really affordable. And it just says add a little festive flair to your eye makeup with a pair of strip lashes. The perfect completion to any eye look. They are absolutely stunning, very gorgeous. Not my kind of thing though, if I'm honest. I've chucked the lid off, so that is what they look like. They are absolutely stunning. They will be going in my giveaway drawers for somebody to win, because somebody who does use eyelashes a lot, I think you're going to really like them because they're gorgeous. Right guys, so this is the Festive Showdown edit, the December Discovered Beauty box. What do you think? Personally, I am loving this box, absolutely loving it. The cosmetics bag we got with it is really stunning. It really is. I'm so happy to get the toner and the day cream. The RRPs on them are absolutely insane. The lip glosses, yeah, 3 lip glosses, amazing. The eyelashes are okay, they're all right, not my bag, like I say. And yeah, that eyeshadow, look at it glisten. It's absolutely stunning. Perfect Christmassy themed box, I think. I love it, absolutely love it. I'm just looking on the back of the edit card, and this box is worth £205.48. This definitely gets a massive thumbs up from me. Again, if you are interested in purchasing this box, click the link down below. It will get you £3 off your box if you want to sign up. Has this made you want to subscribe to the box? Do you already subscribe to it? What do you think of it? Yeah, comment everything down below and let me know, because I am nosy. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.